I wanted to share with you some thoughts I have on why you should have a side hustle. So I created 3 startups here in Hong Kong. One of them helped me to generate a revenue of 1 million. And so it's not just about money, right? I take my situation. Today I have a full-time day job. So it's a corporate job. I like it. I like the people with who I work, and it's really a very interesting one. In one hand, I'm wondering if it's good to put all your eggs in the same bucket. Let's imagine tomorrow I get laid off. I need a backup plan. Another thing is you need also some hobbies. So your hobbies could be around going for sport, watching YouTube for 3 hours, playing with your kids. And so it's always about how you want to arbitrate your time to find joy and happiness. And one of the things I like to do is entrepreneurship. So I always had in my mind to help people to solve problems, getting ideas, but also materializing those ideas in something a bit more concrete. And this is how most of the time how I created my startups. It's important you keep in mind that a side hustle can be good, not just to bring you more money, but also to motivate you to think differently, to step back from your day-to-day life. Think about something you could do to find joy, to find yourself. So stop doing useless things and try to do more things that can contribute to achieving your goals, personal or professional goals. And so getting to a side hustle doesn't need to be complex, right? It can start with just an idea and then trying to identify the steps you need to implement these ideas, to give life to your idea. And because you can have tons of ideas, right? You can have hundreds of ideas every day, but it's very hard to get just one idea on the ground. And a good way to do it is to stop having those perfectionism tendencies and just to find a way to simply implement your idea. I give you a simple example. When I started my digital learning company, the one that helped me to reach $1 million in revenue, basically it started like an experiment. I wanted to share knowledge about a specific topic, so it was fintech at the time. And so I created an e-learning just using open source. So I really invested nothing, just a bit of my time. And then I went with my e-learning, created with open sources, and I built with my own content, my own knowledge. And I just started to share it with some people I know. So I was talking about my project, and then someone I knew shared my project with someone he knew. And this person was in the HR space, so human resource and learning and development. And so I got the opportunity to meet this person, to show my amazing e-learning. It was a fail. She didn't like the content, but basically she liked the design. And so from trying to sell an e-learning with my own content, my own design, I pivoted and I sold a service which was about designing e-learnings for people and companies based on their own content. And that worked, right? Think about it. It doesn't need to be perfect the first time. It has to be iterative. But the key is really to try. It's really to start. And this is the way I really see it. So I hope that these just few tips help you just to unlock your journey, because really the hardest is the first step. So if you have any question, just reach out to me, share in the comment, like this video, share it with your friends. And honestly, you just have to start. This is the key.